Opening urgent. Missouri homeowners. When a storm hits, is your roof ready? Don't let unexpected damage threaten the safety of your home and family. Every moment you wait could make the problem worse. Problem: high winds, hail, and torrential rain can cause sudden leaks, missing shingles, and major structural damage. These roof emergencies do not wait for a convenient time to strike. Ignoring them, even for a day, can lead to devastating interior damage, mold growth, and repair bills that spiral out of control. Your family's sanctuary is at risk, and the stress can be immense. Solution: that is why Roof Rescue is on standby for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are Missouri's first responders for roofing emergencies. The second you call, our rapid response team is dispatched to secure your property and prevent further harm. We do not just fix roofs, we restore your peace of mind when disaster strikes. Free inspection. Are you worried about hidden damage or the potential cost? Let us put your mind at ease. We provide a completely free, no-obligation roof inspection. Our experts will quickly assess the situation, identify all points of failure, and provide a clear, honest report so you know exactly what needs to be done to protect your home. Insurance made easy. Dealing with insurance companies can be a frustrating and confusing nightmare, especially when you're already under stress. That's where we truly shine. Our team includes licensed claims adjusters who will work directly with your insurance provider on your behalf. We navigate the complex paperwork and negotiations to ensure you get the maximum coverage you are entitled to, taking the burden completely off your shoulders. Financing options. An emergency repair shouldn't lead to a financial crisis. If your budget is a concern, we have you covered. We offer a range of flexible financing options designed to provide an affordable solution when you need it most. Protecting your family shouldn't depend on having cash on hand, and with our plans, it doesn't have to. Trust and expertise. Your home is your biggest investment, and you need a team you can trust. Roof Rescue is a local, fully licensed, and insured company with a proven track record of excellence. Our experienced professionals treat every home with the same care and respect as if it were our own, guaranteeing quality craftsmanship that stands the test of time. Hassle-free process. We believe in making your recovery as simple and stress-free as possible. From your initial frantic call to the final nail and cleanup, we manage the entire process for you. One call is all it takes. We handle the emergency tarping, the detailed inspection, the insurance claim, the professional repairs, and the final walkthrough. Do not let a damaged roof compromise your family's safety for another minute. Call Roof Rescue right now for your free, no-obligation inspection and immediate assistance. Protect your home, protect your family. Call us now. Ask us about our free, preferred repair programs, and skip the line when it counts the most.